Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a challenge. This is an old challenge, but I've seen a lot of people do it. But we're going to do my makeup with just using a sponge. Yeah, just a sponge. No brushes, no nothing. But of course my eyebrows are already done because I always do that off camera. So yeah, so everything, makeup, foundation, lips, contour, all of that, eyes, that's all gonna be what I'm gonna be using. And this is the only thing I'll be using to apply all of that in my face. We're gonna go ahead and open this up because the first thing we're gonna go in is with eyes. Of course, that's what I always start with. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the sponge, and this is how it looks like. And this is a juno&co sponge. It's a microfiber velvet sponge. So the palette we'll be going in with is the Kylie palette, and this is how it looks like on the inside. And we're just going to do something very simple today, not too dramatic, just because I'm using a sponge to do my makeup with. So yeah, we're not going to do too much today. So starting off with, we're going to go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the lid of the eyes and get the sponge and set that in place. And then we're going to go ahead and conceal the eye also. So the concealer we're going to be using is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and just put a dot on that. And then with the sponge. Alright, now going in with the palette. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade right here. I think that is the shade Oaky. And going in with this darker shade, we're going to put that in the outer corner of the eye. I don't think that's so bad. After that, we're gonna go in with this shade right here. And this shade is gonna go in the inner corner of the on the way to being free. Now I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown shade right here and go back and fill in. We'll darken it a little more. We're gonna go ahead and clean it up with the wipes. Of course, I'm not gonna do no eyeliner. Well, you know what? I actually can't. I want to mess it up. probably just gonna do mascara. Alright. And for mascara, I'm going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Go ahead and go in with the base. We're gonna use the I'm gonna go up my base. We're gonna go in with the Glam Glow. This is a nude glow. This hydrates your face, makes your face a little more shiny, and I really like this. It smells really good. And now for primer, we're gonna go in with the Professional Benefit Primer, and yeah, there's like a little sample I got. This is really good stuff. Alright, for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer, and this is I am in the shade 5.5E Pure. I'm gonna go ahead and get some setting spray. Alrighty, that should be good enough. And for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Clinique, of course, Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer, and this is in the shade CN10.
On the way to being free.
I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Air Sponge to set that. Going in with that. The Tarteist Pro Glow, this cream shade. I'm gonna go in back with that Air Sponge. And for bronzer, we're going to go and take home the bronzer. This is from the Bland Cosmetics. And for blush, of course, we're gonna go in with the Morphe blush. For highlights, we're gonna go in back with the Tarteist Pro Glow and use these two. And last but not least, lips. Gonna go in with the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Commando. Okay, and for the lower lashes, we're gonna go in back with that mascara and pull it out. And for the setting spray, going in with the Always Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look by just using this sponge right here. So yeah, this is pretty harder than I thought, especially with everything. I need my brushes. Never again doing it again. So yeah, this is practically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!